Everybody wants to become an entrepreneur, but being an entrepreneur is not the problem. The problem is becoming a successful entrepreneur. And some people think you have to work hard to become successful. It doesn't always go that way. You can work hard and still not become successful. The best way to become successful, watch to the end of this video and I will reveal it in an instant. Many people feel that success is getting everything your counterpart or your associate owns. That's what you require to become successful. Fleet of cars, lots of mansion. That's not success. Success is contentment. Success is feeling okay. Success is being able to deliver the right products at the right time. Giving out the best and be happy about giving out that best. That is success. So it's not about grabbing everything that is available. No. So to become a successful entrepreneur, you have to what? Make sure of the more important things. And what are those important things? Working in a smart manner. Working in a way that other people will see and they will want to be like you. Not because you have everything, but because you are good in what you are doing. That's what success is all about. So being an entrepreneur, you have to work smart, you have to work intelligently, and you have to work diligently. Then the question is, how do you work smart? You want to grab everything all by yourself. You want to do everything by yourself. Life doesn't work that way. You have to pay the coin to get the book. Yes. And you have to pay it in different ways, in various ways. Give Caesar what he desires, and you get what you want. Learn to be at it at all time. Availability is the scale of business. Learn to be there every day.
I'm not perfect, but my love is real. I've made mistakes, said things I didn't mean.